Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. Right now we are somewhere very close to Valpoi और हम जा रहे हैं to another waterfall in Goa जो बहुत ही सुंदर है, especially for swimming, taking pictures and videos and all that good stuff. By the way, if you happen to visit this place, please यहाँ पे कचरा ना करें. And as I say always, carry back your trash from the places you visit along with beautiful memories from the place. अभी के लिए इस बाइक राइड को थोड़ा एंजॉय करते हैं. इन रास्तों को तो देखो और यहाँ के सुंदर नज़ारों को देखो. On this road perfect for a bike ride? I think it's my first time here in this part of Goa and I'm sure it won't be my last time here. This is the true beauty of traveling to any of the offbeat locations. For me, enjoying the journey is as important as getting to the destination and enjoying there. What about you guys? Are you one of those people who just wants to travel from point A to point B? Or are you like me, who likes to enjoy the journey too? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. Rather, read your thoughts. तो राइड करते करते we were on an unpaved road and this kind of marked that we are very close to our first destination for today. We hired a local guide at this place who would take us to the waterfall through the forest, as none of us really knew exactly where the location was. Parked our bikes behind and it was time to start with the track. The track was actually very simple and easy. It was just about, I would say, 3 to 4 kilometers max. After walking for a few minutes, we were greeted with this beautiful view. यहाँ से सिर्फ नीचे जाने का पार्ट थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. डिफिकल्ट एज इन स्लिपरी है. That's it. Other than that, this track was very easy. This is the entrance to the place. And the place is actually quite busy because it's a Saturday. That's why I don't like to travel on Saturdays, especially to hidden places like these. As you can see, there are people everywhere. For a place this hidden. Just check out this place, guys. Absolutely beautiful. There's another spot there on top, but you can see people diving in. So let's see if we go there or not. But this spot, absolutely amazing. And there's more spot over there. The light blue area in the middle is kind of deep, so if you don't know how to swim, I would advise you not to go in there. You can chill in the shallow parts of the water and be safe at the same time. No matter from which angle you look at it, it looks beautiful from every angle. I believe it would be even more better in the monsoon season. The locals from this place are actually very friendly and they come in here to swim and specially dive in. Check this out. अभी हम हैं वाटरफॉल के ऊपर वाले एरिया में जो मैंने आपको पहले दिखाया था एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. As I was saying earlier, weekends पे आने का side effects, the place just gets busier and busier as the day passes by. Time to say goodbye to this beautiful place and on to the next one. And we have to climb up somewhere over there. And we are here right now. So yeah, wish us luck. इस पे चढ़ते समय समझता है कि ये कितना स्टीप है और कितना इंक्लाइन लगता है इस पे. It does get a bit tiring. It's actually a very steep incline and we're only halfway through. But nevertheless, we made it back to the parking area. And thanks to our little guide for the day, we made it back safely. After that waterfall, we went to another place a little bit ahead, but there was nothing much there except for this one bridge. तो ये दोनों स्पॉट्स कवर करने के बाद we headed back home, enjoying these beautiful roads and the sceneries it has to offer. मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि आपको ये प्लेस कैसा लगा एंड शुड आई विजिट इट अगेन ड्यूरिंग द मानसून्स. प्लेस का लोकेशन अगर मुझे मिलता है तो मैं आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगा. वंस एट द प्लेस यू कैन हायर अ लोकल गाइड लाइक अस एंड गेट टू द वाटरफॉल. एंड लाइक ऑलवेज, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग माई वीडियोज़, सब्सक्राइबिंग एंड वॉचिंग दैम. मिलता है किसी और एक ऐसे ही वीडियो में. Until then, take care and peace.